Hello, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is June 28, 2025. Markets finally moved. They broke up to the upside completely. You could see that we had 33 winners, 7 losses, and 1 break even. We kind of saw that a lot probably happening because we had a lot of opportunities with the shade, which tells us the markets are in a trending environment where if you don't have a shade in the background, it tells you you're consolidating, and if you break out, it may not follow through. So we had a lot of opportunities on both the shade, which is telling us instruments are trending, and then also things that are non-shaded, which are consolidation patterns. So let's go through this list here. As you can see, 33 winners, 1 loss, and 1 break even. So FITB was a winner. And remember, if you've never attended one of our sessions here, how this works is that we have this black bar here. It's a forecasting tool. If the next bar you have the background, if it's green, you're going to bet on it going up. So you'll buy the blue dot above this black bar high. If it's a red background, you're going to sell at a blue dot, which is right there below the black bar low. The red dot is your conditional stop. And if you shrink that in this chart, you'll see these little blue crosses right there. That's your target there. So we're looking, and then we do have money management built in, where at some point inner bar we do go to break even. So if it does decide to reverse, we do get out at break even too. So these are all ones with the shades. When they have the shade, it's telling you it's trending. So the HP is a winning trade. RCL is a winning trade here. This was a really good trade here. Next is MTB. There we go. It's finally pulling up. MTB is a winning trade. PNC. I don't know why it's a little slow today. So this is a winning trade too. Let's see if we can increase this. This will help. COF. That's a winning trade here. That one moved up really nice. AXP is a winning trade. FCX, I'm just going to go for the list since it's low right now. DHI, FMC, DXY, which is an ETF here, right here. PBI, QCOM, Qualcomm, IVV is an ETF. SPY, which was ETF here, so that was a really good one to see. NTAP, Amazon, IWD, SH. So we had some really good ones there that had huge potential to pop, and they did. Okay, so that was a really good sign there. Then you have here's Comcast. This is a losing trade here. This is minimum loss. We'll wait for these to pop up here. So we're going to wait there. Still waiting. Here we go. So we're waiting for this right here. So you can see here, this is a little loss here. You entered the blue dot and it closed down here. So this is a minimum loss. Max loss would be here, the red dot right there. So you remember, the red dot is always your conditional stop. So whenever you enter a trade, you know where the max stop is going to be, where the most you could lose in that trade. So you can manage it here. Here also, you got in and you barely got out with a little loss there, not much at all. So the goals of our systems always is when you lose, to lose small. You know where your max loss is going to be, but you really want to enter and exit out with a minimum loss. This was with a max loss here, so we're at the red dot. So the 3 trending trades here, 2 were minimum, 1 was at the max loss. Not bad at all. This currency here, ZAR, Japanese yen, this was basically break even, where it did go up. We got past here, got to a point of where we go to break even, inner bar, and it did, and then we got stopped out for no loss there. These here are non-trending opportunities here. So AAP, So what we're looking for is a drawdown before it goes. So this is a winning trade right there. AFL was winning. BSX was a winning trade. BWA was winning. CI, you had a currency here, Euro PLN, IWM, JBHT, Key, ADY, PHM, TNA, SWKS, and Rider. Those are all winning trades where they pulled back before they broke out the weekly high or low, and that's exactly what we're looking for in those trades right there. These are trades we didn't enter right there. It's not even worth looking. These are trades that we had minimum losses on. So SRCL was one. If it pulls up. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with the speed. No, it's not the internet, but something's going on. Either way, this one entered trade here bullish, and then it got stopped out for minimum loss there. WY here. Same scenario. Entered and then closed just above the entry, so for a minimum loss right there, so that's minimum. Okay, E. Right here. This is minimum loss too, you could see. Entered down here and then closed here, so it's a minimum loss. And then DHR. Right here, this is a minimum loss too. Got up here, entry right there, and then closed here. So this actually has max loss here. So we had 2 max losses, 2 minimum losses on the consolidation patterns, which you kind of expected out there. So not too bad at all. But overall, the week was really good. As I mentioned, the overall summary, we had 33 winners, I think 7 losers, and then 1 break even, which is not bad at all going forward. If you guys have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Please like and forward this video too so we do more. Thank you.